this video, we are going to see how to add Instagram post details to Google Sheets. So let's say that you're using Instagram, and here every time you have created a post, you want that the details of that particular post should become a part of your Google Sheets or any other spreadsheet for that matter. Now, how can you do that? To do so, you have to integrate the two applications, and the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect software. Here your trigger application would be Instagram and your action application would be Google Sheets. Now, how can you do this yourself, integrate and automate this entire process? To understand that, let me take you to my screen. To begin with the process, we are first going to type the URL pabbly.com/connect, and as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On the right hand side, you can see two tabs, sign in and sign up for free. So if you already have an account with us, simply sign in. If you are a new user, click on this tab, sign up. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and yes, at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. Now I'm going to click on sign in. And here we have reached the all applications page. Since we are doing this integration using Pabbly Connect, let's click on access now. And here we have reached the dashboard of this application. On the right hand side, you can see a tab create workflow. Let's click on this. And a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name this workflow. Now here my objective is to add Instagram post details to Google Sheets. So I'm going to name it as add Instagram post details to Google Sheets. Let's click on create. As we do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. One is trigger, another one is action. Triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically, action is the response of our trigger application. So here what do I want? That every time there is an Instagram post, the details should be embedded in my Google Sheet. So the trigger application would be Instagram for Business. So let's click on this. And now the trigger event here would be new media posted in my account. Here you can see that it is saying that this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes, which basically means that this application is polling based. So the workflow will run after every 10 minutes to fetch for new data. Now I'm going to click on connect. So here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the Instagram for Business account so that it can have access to the information. Let's click on add new connection and then connect with Instagram for Business. So here we can see that the authorization has been successful. Once done, here we have to write the name of the Instagram account which we are using. So it has already selected the account. Otherwise, you can click on this drop down, and then when you have multiple accounts, you can choose accordingly. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here we can see that we have received a response. Basically, let me take you to my Instagram account, and this is the image that I have recently posted. The caption is success has no shortcut. This is the URL, this is the media file, and my username is danielsjoe123. Now taking you back to Pabbly Connect, here you can see that we have received the username. Then the media type is an image. As I take you down, this is the media URL. Then we have the permalink, we have the caption, and as I take you down, this is the time. But we haven't received the time in our normal format. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another application over here. This is basically a feature by Pabbly which is datetime formatter. I'm going to click on this. And now the action event here would be to format date with time zone. Let's click on connect. Now here I'm going to map the information. Mapping means that as I click on this, I have the previous. Now what is my objective? I wish to have the date. So basically I'm going to format date only. Let's click on connect. Now the date required. So for this I'm going to map the data. Mapping means that as I click on this, it will show me the previous steps. And I have my data here. I'm just going to retrieve it. So as I click on this and go at the last, here I have the date. Now the from format. So this is exactly the same format that I have my data in as of now. Now the to format here would be I need it in a simple date, month and year format. Let's click on save and send test request. So here you can see that we have received our information. Now our objective is that this information should be embedded in my Google Sheet. So the action step next would be to add the application Google Sheets. Here it is. And now the event here would be to add a new row. So every time we receive So every time a new Instagram post is created, then automatically the details should be added as a new row in my Google Sheets. Let's click on connect. And here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the Google Sheets account. So let's select add new connection and then connect with Google Sheets. So here it is asking me for the account. Once selected, we have to go down and provide the authorization. So I have clicked on continue, and here you can see that the authorization has been successful. So as I take you down, here we have to again map the data. So we have the following information. I'm going to first select the spreadsheet. So let me show you the spreadsheet that I've just created. This is my spreadsheet, Instagram post details. The name of my sheet is sheet 1. I have the following column fields: username, post caption, date, media URL, and permalink. So if I take you back to Pabbly Connect, let's select the sheet. And here you can see that it has already selected the sheet name. Now we have to map this information. You know how to map, but why is mapping important? Mapping is important so that every time the workflow runs, it can capture the new data. Because if I write this manually right now, it will only take the manually written data every time the workflow runs, which basically means that my workflow won't be a success. So now I'm going to click on this, go to step 1, and this is the username. Then the caption. So again, here as I take you down, this is the caption. Now the date, for this I'm going to step 2, and this is my date. Then the media URL, and here we have the media URL. And finally the permalink. So here we have the permalink. Now let's click on save and send test request. So here you can see that we have received the API response, which basically means that this information should become a part of my Google Sheet now. Let me show you. And here you can see that yes, we have received the information, which basically means that this integration process is a success. But we also need to check this in real time. So I'm going to take you back to Instagram, and here I'm going to post another, and here I'm going to create another post. Let's click on create, select from computer. Let's say that this is the file that I want, and I'm going to select the size ratio. Once selected, let's click on next. And now I'm going to give it a caption. Green is the need of the hour. And now I'm going to share this. So here you can see that my post has been shared. I'm going to close this, and as I refresh this page, here you can see that my post is a part of my account now, which basically means that now the information about this particular post should become a part of my Google Sheet. But we also know that there is a polling time of 10 minutes. So now we are going to wait for 10 minutes and then check our Google Sheet. Taking you back to my Google Sheet, and yes, here you can see that the information has become a part of this sheet now, which basically means that this integration process is a complete success. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect to understand what we have done. So our trigger application was Instagram for Business, where our event was new media posted in my account. Then we had chosen a feature by Pabbly, which was date time formatter, to format the date. And final action application was Google Sheets, where we have chosen our event as add new row. I hope this is absolutely clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the description box. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any other integration that you wish to work on, you can always write to us.
Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.